A word of caution when you're searching for Bloom's taxonomy on the internet. Many sources will still be using the original order as it appears in the original taxonomy. Knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis and evaluation, or their synonyms. For day-to-day usage, I have no problem with this, but you do need to be aware that this work has been updated. David Crothwell, Bloom's colleague, and Lauren Anderson, his student, led the update team. They made 6 important updates. They changed the levels to their verb forms. They swapped synthesis and evaluation in the old speak and provided more examples of what it means to be doing each type of thinking. These then got labelled cognitive processes and given their own dimension because it was the stuff that your brain, cognitive, did process. Their books go right into the logic behind these changes, so have a read sometime. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the original and the revised taxonomy. Now, given the processes the how, their own dimension, allowed them to answer a criticism of the original taxonomy, that it mixed in content the what with the how. So they came up with 4 types of knowledge and made this new dimension, the knowledge dimension, the y-axis. So now we have what's called the Taxonomy Table. Here it is. We require pre-service teachers in this course to have an in-depth knowledge and application of the cognitive processes for writing questions and lesson objectives, and a passing knowledge of the knowledge dimension. Know they exist, and that if you wanted to, you could always look them up. So here's my advice in a nutshell. Rely on sources that have creating or create, as opposed to evaluating, as the top level. If you have to use the original taxonomy, just use the verbs they suggest to write the lesson objectives and know how to translate them back into the revised taxonomy. Reference work by Crothwell and Anderson, or people who reference them when doing assignments. Put one of their books on your When I'm a Teacher reading list and find out about the taxonomy table and how to use it when analysing your units. Best of luck.